Here are the steps for a flawless epoxy floor project with Florida paints and Flo-Poxy line. If you want a flawless epoxy floor, it comes down to preparation. Most failures happen because the prep was either skipped or rushed. Step 1. Make sure you have the proper tools for the application. Step 2. Check the concrete surface. Make sure it's fully cured, dry, and not sealed. If there is a lot of moisture, then you're going to want to use one of our MVB activators. Step 3. Clean and degrease the floor if needed. Older contaminated floors should always properly be cleaned, degreased before moving forward. Step 4. Grind and vacuum the floor thoroughly. This step is critical for adhesion of the coatings to the concrete. Step 5. Repair the cracks. Use either our polyurea crack filler or 100% solid crack filler depending on the crack. Allow repairs to cure, then grind smooth and vacuum the excess dust. Step 6. Mix the Flo-Poxy. Flo-Poxy has a 2-to-1 ratio. That's 2 parts of A and 1 part of B. Part A is available in clear or pre-pigmented options. Before adding the part B, mix the part A by itself for about 2 minutes to ensure smooth, consistent base. If you are using the clear part A with a color pod, mix the color pod into the part A for about 2 minutes. Then add the part B. Drill mix everything together for about 2.5 minutes to 3 minutes. Step 7. Apply the epoxy. Squeegee the material out and back roll it evenly. Epoxy loves to be on the floor, so don't let it sit in the bucket or we will begin the curing process. Step 8. Broadcast flakes or aggregate. Apply flakes or quartz or aggregate while the epoxy is still wet. For flakes, typically we recommend 200 square feet per box for consistent broadcast. Step 9. Scrape and vacuum. Allow the epoxy to cure overnight. Once it's fully hard, scrape and vacuum the flakes. Cure times can depend on activator speeds and temperatures. Step 10. Apply the Flo-Spartic top coat. Flo-Spartic polyaspartic provides UV stability, scratch resistance, and chemical resistance. It has a 1-to-1 ratio. Combine the part A and the part B and hand mix for 45 seconds to a minute. Unlike epoxy, polyaspartic has a longer working time in the bucket. Pour out what you need, then squeegee and back roll 1 to 2 coats. Let that fully cure, about 24 hours for foot traffic and 72 hours for vehicles. These are our recommendations for a flawless epoxy project with Florida paints and their floor products.